Welcome back to my YouTube channel Rolling Legends. The 2025 BMW M2 is here, and it's taking the performance coupe game to another level. If you thought the last M2 was wild, get ready for more power, sharper handling, and an aggressive design that screams speed. Let's dive into what makes this beast a true driver's machine. Under the hood, BMW has kept the magic alive with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, now pushing 473 horsepower and 406 pounds-feet of torque. That's an extra 20 horses over last year's model, and if you opt for the 6-speed manual, you get an even juicier 443 pounds-feet of torque. 0 to 60? A blistering 3.9 seconds with the automatic and just over 4 seconds with the manual. Not bad for a rear-wheel drive monster that begs to be thrown into corners. Speaking of handling, BMW fine-tuned the suspension for even more precision. The M adaptive suspension ensures every road imperfection is ironed out while keeping you glued to the pavement. Wider tires, an improved limited slip differential, and sharper steering make the 2025 M2 more agile than ever. Whether you're attacking back roads or the track, this thing is an absolute weapon. Visually, the M2 keeps its bold, boxy stance, but with a few refinements. The massive kidney grille stays, but BMW tweaks the bumper for better aerodynamics. The fenders are still aggressively flared, and new lightweight wheels complete the look. Inside, it's all about performance and tech. Carbon bucket seats, a curved digital display, and an improved infotainment system with iDrive 8.5 make sure you stay connected while carving up the road. So, who is this car for? If you want the raw, rear-wheel drive experience with serious performance and an optional manual transmission, the 2025 BMW M2 is one of the last true driver's cars. It's faster, sharper, and packed with attitude. But what do you think? Is this the best M2 yet, or should BMW have done more? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Rolling Legends content. See you in the next one.